The IT retailer EpiCentre is one of the largest reseller of Apple products in Asia. It has a footprint covering Singapore, Malaysia and China. EpiCentre listed on the Catalyst board of the Singapore Exchange 4 years ago, and it was riding high on the popularity of Apple's products. But its fortunes took a slide recently as it booked a more than 70% fall in first half earnings. What is EpiCentre doing to drive earnings growth? Well, for some answers, I spoke earlier with Jimmy Fong, Executive Chairman and CEO of EpiCentre. And I started by asking what EpiCentre is doing to bring costs under control.
Our administrative expenses went up is because of one-off expenses in our expansion in China, and also importantly, we're also investing in our mid and long-term expansion and growth of the company. So we also have invested in some technology applications for our mobile commerce platform, and also we have also started up a new chain stores called EpiLife, where fashion meets IT, it's the accessory stores. So these are all investments that we've spent on for our future growth.
Your sales and earnings is also very dependent and tied closely to Apple. Are there things that you want to do to kind of diversify your offering to, be less dependent on Apple?
Apple is still a cash cow for us. I mean, Apple is definitely still doing well, and there are definitely more new products coming from Apple in the next 1 to 2 years. So we are still very bullish and excited about the whole Apple business. As you can see, the demand is still very hot worldwide, not just only in Singapore. Definitely, we are diversifying. We have opened up to now about 3 stores in Singapore. So we're looking at about 4 to 5 stores in Singapore for this EpiLife business expansion. All the fashionable accessories for your gadgets, for your IT, be it Apple or other branded IT accessories, we also sell as well. EpiLife on the go is a platform for us. We are a platform owner. We provide brands in selling services or products to come into this platform, whereby they can use mobile commerce, a QR code, to scan at the MRT stations or at polytechnics. So we also have signed MOUs with some of the polytechnics and KTA as well, KTA malls, and taxis on buses, where they'll be providing a platform for them to sell and to brand the products. So this is a new business that we have created.
You also view China as a pretty important market, but some analysts have also noted that the Chinese market is kind of slowing down. Are you at all concerned about what's happening in China? Are you re-looking at the plans in China?
China is definitely, as we all know, is a huge market, but it's also definitely a difficult market to get into. So we definitely have to be very prudent in our expansion plans. For this financial year, we have already opened up 3 stores in China, 2 in Shanghai and 1 in Beijing. It's a market that we have to be in the medium to long term, and we believe there is still a lot of potential there, but it will take some time for us to really get into driving more profits and more expansion in that market.
Your core markets are also in Singapore and Malaysia. So are there other plans to step up your presence in these 2 markets?
We are in Singapore, Malaysia. We are also looking for opportunities to tie up with strategic partners in the Southeast Asian markets to look at JV, joint venture relationships, M&A, and also franchising opportunities for EpiLife and EpiLife on the go, our mobile commerce project as well. So we are also looking at opening up Apple premium resale stores in the Southeast Asian markets as well.
And that was Jimmy Fong from EpiCentre.